Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is November 20th, 2020, and I had previously did a video explaining what pelleted seeds are and the best ways that I found to plant them. So I decided to do a video on showing you how to actually plant pelleted seeds. So these are some Dusty Miller seeds here, and one thing that I did find that helps to break the clay coating when you plant your seeds is if you chill your seeds for a little bit just to kind of get that coating cool. Because what's going to happen is when it hits your soil with the warm water, it's going to help that coating to break up and dissolve some. So I will be doing a video then later on how to actually plant Dusty Miller seeds. This is just kind of a video for how to plant pelleted seeds in general. Now these pelleted seeds here are a little bit larger than others. Begonia seeds are very tiny compared to this, but it's still easier to work with the pelleted seed than it would be the actual seed not being pelleted. So I have my soil back here, and I'm just going to put this seed on top here. Now this is a surface sown variety here, so I have my seed right here. Just going to press it into the soil surface, and you can see right here, zoom in here, there we go. The seed coating is already starting to dissolve, and that's what we want. It won't completely dissolve, but we want it to start dissolving so it can break the clay coating so the seed can be exposed to the light and germinate. So one of the things that can happen is if your hand gets wet when you're planting these, it can actually start to melt in your hand. So if your hand is wet, go ahead and dry it off before you get to your next seed. Oops, I'll get that one. There we go. Now, sometimes when they fall like this, the seed coating will already have started to melt. Now this one here, it didn't yet, so I'm just picking it up and moving it real quick before it starts melting. It did actually start to melt right there. Because I don't want to damage or diminish the chances of my seed germinating. So I want to just kind of get it on the soil surface as quick as I can and then let it go. Go, last one here. There we go. Now if you have one that's not starting to break apart, like this one here isn't, just take a nice little spray bottle here and just gently mist over the top of your seed there, and it's going to start to melt that coating some, and that's what you want. And you want your water to be warm. Now these germinate in about 14 to 21 days. I'm not going to make you wait that long for this video. I'm going to come back later on and do a video on starting Dusty Miller from seed. So I'm going to be putting these in a little container and putting them on the heated floor out here in the new greenhouse. But one thing that you want to make sure of when you plant your seeds is that you keep the top of your soil moist, especially for surface sown seeds. So a nice simple little spray bottle, and just mist over the top of it. This one needs a little bit more water in it. And that's going to keep your seed coating, that's going to keep your seed starting mix nice and moist, and your seeds should germinate then for you. So you don't want to let it dry out. It's one thing you don't want to do. And you'll see when they start germinating, like sometimes in the center or off to the side, the little sprouts starting to come up through the pelleted seed. So I don't recommend using the mister on the spray hose. I had where it was actually washing my seeds down too deep, or it washed my seeds out of the container, even though I was trying to control the flow of it with the pressure. So I just find a nice little spray bottle on spray is the best way to go with it. And I use the Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'll have a link down in the description for that if I can find a link for it. And I do have a video on my channel for how I mix my seed starting mix for when I put it in my containers. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!